So December 2016, we did an install of ShelfAware at Energy Manufacturing. It's our latest iteration. It was a consolidation of 10 to 12 different seal suppliers that they were individually managing. We currently track over 600 SKUs, consisting of 6,000 individual bags on their shelves, 20,000 tags that have been generated so far this year. So we've scaled up. This is the biggest installation that we've ever done, and consequently it's had the most bang for the buck because we've been able to automate their supply chain.
As a plant manager, I'm responsible for all aspects of operations, for the purchasing, the buy-in, the quoting. We look at new customer base. Our metrics right now that we're trying to get out of this plant is upwards of maybe about 750 cylinders a day, but we were constantly expediting seals to get in here daily to meet our shipments and to meet our product that we needed. It was a daily battle in production where we would come in and find that we were short seals, or the seal should have been on our inventory but we were missing it. One of the things that we struggled with was maintaining the inventory. Since we have gone to ShelfAware, that pain has gone away. All of those activities have gone by the wayside. We get in one invoice a week. We don't have multiple purchase orders to deal with. We don't have the emails to deal with. We can actually service that customer that may be down in the field with a seal kit that same day and have it to their place the next day if they so desired. We used to have a lot of aspects of UPS red overnight shipments, trying to get seals in here so we could build cylinders to get them out for that day or the next day. Prior to ShelfAware, I would say our buyer or purchasing agent at the time was probably spending maybe a third of their day doing nothing but managing seals and O-rings. You're talking about parts that are pennies, but it's consuming a lot of their time and resources that we wanted to direct and focus elsewhere, as well as cross-train into other aspects of our business. When ShelfAware came on board, now our purchasing agent is probably spending maybe 15 minutes a day at most. All of those activities have gone by the wayside. It's seamless. They don't deal with purchase orders, they don't deal with emails, they don't deal with invoices. It's a seamless transaction that has been working for our plant.